Learn how to add your key company information into company settings in PetSitter Plus. This can then be used throughout on items such as invoices and email merge codes. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Company settings are found by navigating to the admin menu, choosing Settings, and then selecting Company Settings. Your company name is used at the top of quotes, invoices, account summaries, and can also be inserted into emails using merge codes. We'll explore more about the use of merge codes for email templates in a later video, or you can read the help article linked in the description box below. Enter your company name into the company or trading name field. Click Update to save. Next, enter your main company email address. Quotes, invoices, and system notifications are CC'd to the company email address. The reply to email address is used when your clients reply to emails sent via PetSitter Plus. This email address is used when staff request a vacation from their time off calendar and an email is sent to the vacation alert email address. It's optional to use this field. Top tip: if your vacation alerts need to be sent to a number of staff, you can enter a distribution list here by entering a comma between email addresses but no spaces. Next, add your company phone number. This can also be included in any document, email, or narrative using the merge code. You can enter your company address as well, which appears at the top of quotes, invoices, and account summaries. The final part of company settings is enabling or disabling the support widget. When Show Support widget on mobile is toggled on, the Help widget is also visible on all staff mobile devices. Top tip: only admins have the permissions to switch this on or off. You can read more about this function through the link in the description. And that's it. All your company information has been added to your company settings. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.